learn the fundamentals. Hi viewers, this is the Unbiased, and today let us take a look inside the colony of bees and let us learn the fundamentals. This is the bee box, and as you see there's a stand and some water pellets. This is cause the bee box has to be kept at the minimum of 4 inches from the top of the ground, and the water receptacle is for so that the ants don't come up and hurt the bee colony or the queen. Now let's see inside. This is the top, it's for nothing to go in like other predators. And the beekeepers normally keep a bottle filled with sugarcane water to help the bees grow faster and stronger. And actually this is the brood chamber, but the honeybees are still not filled it. And this is the bigger chamber where the honey is supposed to be, and this is filled with bees. As you can see, this is an honey receptacle where the bees all store the honeys. If you touch the honey, bees will go because of the heat of your hands. And you see here, this is the queen's cell. A queen cell is larger and has an extended mouth. And as you can see here, the queen cell's larva is huger. And this is a normal cell of honey or other cells. All the cells look in this shape, and this is capped off honey. You can define the difference as the cap is light in color. And now we'll show you the capped off brood, which is in darker in color. As here you can see, these are the capped off brood which are darker in color, and as you see here, there might be like a dent, and this is actually not a worker bee, and this is a cell of a drone. A drone is a male bee which is actually the breeder which will go breed with the queen to produce eggs. And this is an honey frame which the bees have not yet filled up. And this is normally how the bees start their comb, only by building a single celled division in the side of a frame or in the middle of the frame, and they start up from there. And this is how you can identify what are the cells. And now, as I said before, there are 3 types of bees, which are the queen bees, the workers, and the drones. The drones are actually male bees which mate with the queen when there is no fertile sperm in the abdomen of the queen. We will also put a picture of the queen in the video. You can see it. Then the drones are actually unfertilized eggs of the queen bee which are laid to mate with the queen, and the worker bees do all of the parental caring and feeding for the queen and the drones, and also taking care of the colony, ventilating and collecting food. We will learn about these in depth in other videos. And this is how the bee box looks. Actually, this is the less heighted box is for actually the brood, and the more heighted box is mainly stored for honey. As the colony is in a lower small stage now, the colony has not filled up this box yet, and only has filled up this box. As you see, the bees are not hurting me. Is it that I am near its colony and I am not trying to hurt it? And bees will only sting if they really want to, or you try to attack their queen. As bees will die when they sting, and they will try not to do. This is a worker bee normally, which does all of the works. There are different stages of its life where it does different works. Like you might ask me now, how do you identify what work does a bee do? In the stage 1, after when the pupa hatches and they become mature adults like teens, they start with the inside work of the colony, like example for feeding the pupae and larvae. In that stage they are called the nursery bees. And in stage 2, the bees actually go out of the honeycomb, but actually don't go far away, for they only go out 1 kilometer, and they actually also go for finding water, as bee need water. And as you see, the wings are beating now. This means this is a young bee. And the second phase is actually when the bees actually ventilate their colony. As you see here, there is a hole in the bee box now. This is the entrance hole, and as you see, this bee can be a ventilator, which means they are in phase 2 and they will ventilate the colony. And the phase 3 is going, and the phase 3 is actually going and taking care of the food. The bees go out for nectar and pollen. Actually, they collect the pollen for bee bread, what they feed the normal bees. Actually, the bee bread has more nutrition than the royal jelly, which they feed it to the larvae for the first week and they stop with it. And the queen normally only gets the royal jelly, which does not contain a mineral that transform it into another type of bee, like the queen bee. And thank you. This is the Unbiased. Please like and subscribe.